According to the author, the 8 essential elements for any endeavor are vision, planning, process control, measurement, time use, accountability, commitment, and finally, greatness for the moment. Which of these 8 elements do you have in your life? Accountability means taking action regardless of the results. Commitment is about keeping promises to oneself. There are 5 disciplines for excellent execution, and they are number 1, vision, number 2, planning, number 3, process control, number 4, measurement, and number 5, time use. A vision provides a roadmap for the future, and a plan allows you to focus on the most urgent priorities. Process control ensures that you spend your time on things that move you forward and bring in money. Measurement is a way to check reality, while controlling time allows one to control one's results. You need a vision before doing the other 4 steps. They all build on themselves. The vision is a strong why, or your reason for doing things. The vision propels you forward. The best visions combine your personal dreams with your business aspirations. Your life vision makes your business vision relevant. You have to believe that your vision is possible. Don't ask how in the beginning, but ask what if instead. Shift from possible to probable with your vision. Finally, move from probable to a given with your vision. Visions aren't soft or fluffy because they allow one to take bold actions and face fears. Visions also lead to ownership. There needs to be a strong why, and visions need to be personally meaningful. Ensure your vision is big enough to keep you motivated and connected to your daily vision. People go through an emotional roller coaster whenever there are significant changes in their lives, so much so that psychologists have a term called the emotional cycle of change that has 5 stages. The first stage is being an uninformed optimist, which means being optimistic without really having all the details of what something entails. The second stage is informed pessimism, which means now you have all the details, you might be feeling scared or just uncertain about all the possibilities. The third stage is the valley of despair. This is probably the hardest stage, and most people give up at this stage, which is why a strong vision is important. It will keep you moving forward. The fourth stage is informed optimism, so now you're feeling a little bit more optimistic once you have more information, and you might be feeling more confident in yourself. The fifth stage is finally success and fulfillment. If you've ever been through a breakup or a significant job change or another life change, you've probably gone through some version of this emotional cycle. The 12-week year is a self-corrective system and a closed system. This system makes change easier. People need stability in life, and the 12-week year doesn't change, so it gives some stability. One must establish a vision and commit to it before making any plans. Not all people work from a plan. Some are impatient and take action right away. Planning is highly valued, unless you just want to live in reaction mode. Planning allows you to spend time working on what matters, and it's helpful for teams. What people know and what they do doesn't always match. It's powerful to create and work from a written plan. One can be reactive or proactive each moment. When a person loses the sense of how in their written plan, they may take on more than they can handle. That's why a daily and weekly plan is needed. But remember, the how is not so important when you're thinking about your overall grand vision. A written plan can help with almost any aspect of life. A plan on paper is more powerful, even if you don't know what to do each week exactly. A good plan begins with reasonable goals. Goals should be measurable and specific, and you should have no more than 2 or 3 goals with a deadline and accountability. Teams also benefit from the 12-week year. Joint goals and plans can be practical. The team needs to set the goal jointly and individually in this case. New actions are only comfortable for some people, and it takes work to do them consistently. Relying on willpower is a bad idea since it leads to burnout. That's where process control comes in, which uses events and tools that sometimes replace willpower and create structures. Weekly plans have weekly and daily actions derived from the 12-week plan. Each weekly plan is due every week. Peer support is the second part of process control. Measurement moves the execution process forward and helps one stay in touch with reality. The feedback tool allows one to know how effective one's actions are. Frequent measures are more valuable, and that's because they give you a snapshot in time on how you're doing. Measurement is different from accountability. Measurement is feedback. Review your goals with a buddy and commit yourself to making progress every week. People don't lack time, they just don't spend their time properly. Moment-by-moment choices in life make the difference between mediocrity and greatness. Thank you for watching, and may your next 12 weeks be great.